Hello students, today we discuss about the continuation of reproductive health, that is medical termination of pregnancy. What is meant by that pregnancy regarding related to which one can conceive that particular embryo, that is we call as a pregnancy. Then termination of pregnancy, abortion in a that particular before that viable of that fetus and all. Abortion, that means termination of pregnancy before fetal viability. That is we called as medical termination of pregnancy and all. This one in our government of India, they must be implemented in 1971. Medical termination of pregnancy. Here, that year is important. Many times they ask which year government of India implemented this particular program and all. Because of why one can implemented this one? Because whenever unwanted pregnancy as well as abnormal growth of that fetal development inside the womb of the mother, then legally the government one can give permission such type of development of baby inside the womb of mother, one can separate, one can abort that particular fetus and all. That is, so here at which particular age of that particular period of pregnancy time one can ready to that terminate that particular pregnancy, legally one can give permission, that is up to 20 weeks. Up to 20 weeks of pregnancy during of the time which one can separate that particular feticides and all. Is there any abnormal genetical abnormalities and all? Then in our throughout the world, normally 45 to 50 millions of this termination of pregnancy one can take place and all. 45 to 50 millions per year in the world. That means for every fifth pregnant mother, which one can ready to terminate this one. Then in this one, this is given legally permitted and all. But which particular period of time one can terminate pregnancy, that is safest one. The safest particular period of time to terminate pregnancy, that is, but safest one up to 12 weeks, up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. Then what is the reason why one can terminate the pregnancy? The reasons means that unwanted pregnancy. That means unprotected sexual activities. Then automatically, or at the time of rape condition, as well as is there any destruction of that protective sexual devices. In any one among these conditions, which one can terminate? Is there abnormal growth of that baby, genetically growth of baby? Then government one can give permission. Then this, due to these particular reasons, either rape condition, either rupturing of protective sexual devices and all, then one can terminate. Is there any baby which one can abnormal growth? Then what is the advantage? What is the advantage of this particular one? Normally one can control the population. The advantage only to control the population. How one can terminate the pregnancy? There are two methods are present. One is the spontaneous method, another one is the therapeutic method and all. Spontaneous method, 1/3 of that particular abortion, which one can take place, that is spontaneously. That means within 4 weeks from conception of the couples and all. 1/3 of that particular pregnancy and all. So 1/3, one can take place spontaneous, this particular termination of pregnancy. Spontaneous. That means which one can, for every the 4th week from that conception of that this one, automatically it enable, it may not concept, or it may not, which one can contact, which one can towards the uterus wall and all, which one can separate it and all. That is 1/3 of that population, normally spontaneously one can take place. Then rest of this one, therapeutically one can take place. That means legally one can separate that particular embryos and all. That legally one can permit, which one can abort it of that particular fetus and all. Therapeutically. Then in this therapeutically, some of these many people, which one can be following, so unqualified doctors, we call as quacks. So one can done qualified doctors, is there any abnormality of the baby, then no problem for mother and all, as well as mother, their health and all. Then if once one can unqualified persons, then that person's majority of in our country one can done this that therapeutically, which one can separate this abortion and all. That is we call as a quack, unqualified persons and all. There may be lot of health problem that respectable female and all. Then this one, if you done that particular termination of pregnancy, there is a social, ethical, as well as behavioral and religious issues which one can arise. Some of the religions which one can oppose the termination of the pregnancy. Then even the one can termination to control if it is abnormal and all. That is more stress I told and all many times and all, because of if it is. How can we know whether it is baby will be normal, baby will be abnormal, either amniocentesis technique or recently one more one can done chorionic villi sampling technique. Chorionic villi sampling technique, which one can done within 8 to 10 weeks of pregnant mother and all, with the help of instrument, the doctor, which one can insert it, then from that chorionic villi part one can collecting the sampling cells, then one can test it, whether it is the normal growth, whether it is the abnormal growth. If it is abnormal growth, then automatically one can terminate such particular type of the pregnancy and all. So chorionic villi sampling one can done 8 to 10 weeks of the pregnancy. The detailedly one can know about this one. So that is related to medical, that termination of pregnancy and all. Then it is continuationally, then some of these related to sexually, whomever infected, that particular infected people which one can contact with the normal one, then automatically one can transmit different types of diseases related to that reproductive tract one. That is we call as sexually transmitted infections and all, or sexually transmitted diseases. Next one, STDs. The next subtopic related to reproductive health and all, that is sexually transmitted diseases or reproductive tract infection or venereal diseases. The diseases which one can transmitted from infected person to healthy person. That is we call it as sexually transmitted diseases. These diseases, either bacteria, viruses, protozoans, nematodes, such type of different types of microorganisms, normally one can affect these diseases. For This is also very important exam point of view for remembering easily. One can know about all the diseases at the same time with the easy understanding manner and all. That is bacterial. You must match the following. What is the name of the disease? What is the causative organism? What is the diagnostic one? What is the particular symptoms? How one can treat? How one can control that particular disease and all. Related to the bacterial diseases. In that bacterial diseases, normally like gonorrhea. In this gonorrhea, causative. So, which causative bacteria, which one can causes that particular organism? This is the name of the STDs. This is a causative organism. All these one related to bacteria, bacterial infection. It is Neisseria gonorrhea. Neisseria gonorrhea. This particular, which one can related to bacteria, one can causes that gonorrheal disease under. This disease, when one can affected this disease, so after infected 2 to 7 days, which one can ready to affect, which one can ready to infect, then one can causes that particular disease under. That means this incubation period 2 to 7 days. The incubation period, within that particular period of time, it must be multiplied. One can causes that particular diseases under. Then how one can diagnose? What is the test to identify this one? Normally, gram staining discharge as well as culture test and all. Gram staining discharge as well as that culture. That means gram positive, gram negative, such type of this one. Whatever discharge which one can extracted in the reproductive tract and all, then one can identify this one. Then what are the symptoms? Symptoms of the disease. Normally, this Neisseria gonorrhea, it leaves that genital tubes and all. It leaves that genital tubes. That means that particular, that suppose it is female fallopian tuber, suppose male, that is vas deferens, such type of genital tubes and all, which one can use. Then it must be discharged, pus like discharge, which one can be discharging under. While this living under, pus discharging with painful, pus discharging with painful. Then these particular aspects along with this one, while getting urination, that is a burning sensation while getting urination. Burning sensation while getting urination. Either male or female, while get urination, it may get burning sensation. What is the treatment? How one can control and all? What is the treatment? Normal antibiotics, which one can control the diseases and all. What type of antibiotics? That is ampicillin as well as penicillin. The treatment, ampicillin, penicillin. These antibiotics, which one can control the disease and all. Here one can remember the causative as well as symptoms, that particular aspects one can concentrate on. Then related to that syphilis, which bacteria causes this syphilis and all? Treponema pallidum. Treponema pallidum. Then the incubation period, this particular disease and all. This is minimum 10, maximum 90 days. 10 to 90 days after infection, that particular symptoms which one can appear and all. Then what is the test to identify? Antibody detecting test, normally one can observable and all. Antibody detecting test. Antibody detecting test, ABDT, that is normally we call as Venereal Disease Researching Laboratory Test and all. VDRL. So, antibody detecting test, the name of that test we called as Venereal Disease Research Laboratory Test. In this, the common symptoms, this is very simply one can remember. Do you know what are the symptoms? Whenever they ask the question, once or twice you read the question carefully. Especially these type of questions, if they give stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, whenever they represent the symptoms of stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, then immediately you put the option that is the syphilis only. Even in the stage 1, stage 2 only, within that one only, identify correct statement means you must know about what are the stage 1 symptoms, what is the stage 2 symptoms, like that one can understand and all. Then here, that is, in stage 1 symptoms, normally it will be present, it is infectious as well as indurated. This is indurated, infectious, that is painless ulcers. That is important. Indurated, that infectious, painless ulcers over the genitalia. Over genitalia, either male or female. Then that is in that stage 1 and all. After this, the surrounding of that particular lymph nodes, lymph glands, it is also one can become swollen. Then stage 2. Then whatever these particular that ulcers are present, that is we call as concrete. The concrete will be disappearance. Instead of this one, lesions appearance on the surface of the skin as well as that particular genitalia. Here, lesions, that concrete disappearance, whatever that concretes are present, it will be disappearance. What one can reappearance? Lesions. Lesions in that sense, after removal, after formation of tumors or any wounds, then whatever that patches one can appearance, that is the lesions appearance on surface of either skin as well as genitalia. Along with that genitalia, apart from this one, which one can appearance on the skin also. Then that stage 3, that means it is a primary, it is a secondary, it is a tertiary stage. The tertiary stage, that particular ulcers, that chronic ulcers, one can form into this one, into that nasal, nose as well as palate as well as lower legs one can form. Here, that is chronic ulcers, which one can form into that lower leg spot. Then along with this one, palate, that palate as well as nasal part, that is a tertiary one. More than this one, there is not at all identified, only primary stage, secondary stage, then tertiary stage, which one can Then what are the treatment? It is also that particular antibiotics. What type of antibiotics? Which one can observable related to syphilis and all? This is streptomycin as well as penicillin. This particular medication, one can control the particular disease and all. Then concroid. This concroid disease, one among these bacterial disease, Haemophilus. Haemophilus ducreae, it will be present. Normally, that 4 to 7 days, the incubation period, it is clinical cultures. Normally one can diagnose that clinical culture. Easily one can identification purpose and that. In this one, what are the normal symptoms one can observable? Here, one can observable the symptoms, that is this painful, that ulcers. Here they are painless, here painful bleeding ulcers over genitalia. This normally one can observable. In this one, it is also antibiotic, that is erythromycin. Which one can observable? Erythromycin. Then chlamydia, chlamydiasis, that is chlamydia trachomatis. This is intracellular obligatory parasite. One and only bacterial STD disease, intracellular obligatory one, that is in different stages it will be present, like a reticular, one among the stages, which one can be present under. Then in that one, this is obligatory intracellular one. Intracellular parasite. This is 1 to 3 weeks, the incubation period, which one can diagnose like Gram stain discharges. Apart from this one, the culturing test, along with this one, antigen detecting test. Here antibody test, here antigen test. Then in this one, that nucleic acid hybridization. One more test, nucleic acid DNA hybridization. It is also one among the tests present. This is commonly one can observable. That is urethritis, epididymitis, related to male, related to female, cervicitis. So these particular symptoms one can observable related to chlamydiasis. In this one, apart from this one, that yellow color mucus and that particular pus discharge, which one can be appearance? Yellow color mucus and pus discharge also one can observable. This normally one can observable tetracycline. Then azithromycin. tetra as well as azithro, such type of these antibiotics one can control this particular chlamydia. Chlamydia also one type of the bacteria. All are bacterial diseases and all. Then related to viral diseases in that particular STDs and all. Okay. Then in these bacterial diseases like gonorrhea, syphilis, chancroid, as well as chlamydiasis. Apart from this one, then now discuss about that viral diseases, STDs, in that viral diseases, genital herpes. Genital herpes. Which virus causes genital herpes? Herpes simplex virus. That is herpes simplex virus. Commonly one can written HSV. There are two viruses are there, HSV1, HSV2 and all. 1 as well as 2. In this before infection, the particular period of time, incubation period is present, that is 2 to 14 days, that incubation period. Then how one can diagnose these particular aspects and all? Antigen test and all. This is antigen test. One among these PCR test and all. In this PCR test, herpes test and all. Here, normally herpes simplex virus 2, normally one can affect it to the genital tract and all, the reproductive tract and all. Then herpes simplex virus 1, generally it affects into that particular, the lips, the lesions, cold lesions on the lips and all. That means normal, that small bubble, blister like that lips, it will be appearance and all. Cold lesions on lips in herpes simplex viruses and all. Herpes simplex virus 2, which one can affect? That is reproductive tracts and all. In this, the normal symptom, it will be present in herpes simplex virus 2. It may be causes that lesions that related to red color rashes on the skin as well as over genitalia. Here the lesions as well as a reddish rashes over external genitalia as well as that perineal anal part and all. That part of one among the anal part also, which one can affected. Anal part. The lesions, which one can over external genitalia, it will be affected. Along with this one, this particular anal, that part of this anus part also, it must be affected. This herpes simplex virus and all. This normally one can be controllable related to one among these important these antibiotics. Then these lesions, radicular rashes, external genitalia, as well as it is also affected to the anal part. Then inguinal lymph glands, which one can swollen of inguinal lymph glands. That lymph glands also one can swollen whenever affected this one. So normally there is no permanent cure related to genital herpes disease, even though some primary medications it will be available, that is acyclovir, then cyclovir, as well as famciclovir. Famciclovir, these are commonly it will be present, but there is no permanent control, curable at all. Then genital warts. Genital warts, that is human papilloma virus or palilloma, anyone. That human palilloma or papilloma virus, HPV. So, once again you remember, that is the source of source of cold lips and all. Normally one can be present. Which one can blisters apart from this one? Here it will be present, the incubation period, it is 4 to 20 days, it will be present. The diagnostic test, it is present antibody diagnostic test, antibody diagnostic test. Apart from this one, DNA hybridization, normally name itself present small tumor like that structures one can observable, like warts it will be appearance. Over skin, especially genitalia, that especially in external genitalia, that warts which one can be appearance. Then these if it is female, these warts it will be also one can observable into the vagina as well as cervix also. If it is female, one can observable these warts vagina and cervix region. It is also affected the anal part, the perial anal part also, which one can observable. Here also one can observable the part of this anus part also, it one can affected and all. Then normally cryosurgical removal of the warts. So cryosurgical removal of warts. Cryosurgical removal of the warts, normally one can observable. Here, one more also one can remember here, related to that vaginal, related to painful, that vagina, urethral discharge also one can observable. Vagina as well as urethral discharges also one can observable. Here, vagina, urethral discharges. Also, one can observable this particular herpes, little bit more, but one more very important you must remember related to viral infection under more severity in herpes simplex virus, either male or female. You observe whenever such type of statement, you remember in female it must be more severely rather than male and all. Male also one can affected, but it is females will be the more severely it will be present. Apart from this one, they are also present AIDS also one among the sexual transmitted diseases. Then hepatitis B virus, hepatitis C virus. But these are not detailedly, they not given, they must give in human health and diseases and all. It is also one among these, the two sexual transmitted diseases and all. Then apart from this one, protozoan disease, there is trichomoniasis. Trichomonas vaginalis, name of this. Trichomonas vaginalis. The name of this particular protozoan, tetraciliated protozoan. This is tetraciliated protozoan. This incubation period minimum 5 as well as 28 days. That incubation period, the diagnostic one, that is microscope testing and all. Microscope, which one can investigation? Microscopically, which one can investigate that particular, that trichomoniasis? Then these particular symptoms, what type of symptoms normally one can observable? It will be observable both male and female. Normally one can give vaginitis, but more severity. Even though with the help of this sexual transmitted, it affected to the male also. This is that foul smell with related to vaginal discharge, vaginitis. With the particular yellow discharge and all, along with the yellow discharge. So this is important. In that particular symptomatic one, the foul odor with the yellow discharge, what type of STD normally affected in the reproductive? Then you opt the trichomoniasis. This is normally one can control the medication metronidazole. Metronidazole, one type of that chemical which one can control this particular disease. Apart from this one, nematode parasite also. Nematode parasite, that particular vermicularis. This nematode parasite, that vermicularis, it is also one among these that reproductive tract infection, reproductive tract infectives and all. Then along with all these one nematode parasite, Enterobius vermicularis. Enterobiasis, that means Enterobius vermicularis. Normally, which one can causes to the contaminated food into that particular aspects and all, but even though it may be chance to affected related to sexually transmitted disease and all. That is Enterobius vermicularis. So up to it, you must remember very carefully what are the bacterial, what are the viruses, what are the protozoan, as well as related to nematode one. Even though nematode may not be given under, up to the first 4 bacteria, viruses, that protozoan, must remember carefully the causative as well as symptomatic. Many times, they must, for understanding purpose, I said related to incubation period, as well as sometimes they may ask in diagnostic tests and all. So more concentrate the causative as well as symptomatic. Then what type of causative related to either bacteria, what type of microorganism, which one can cause this and all. So up to that, you must remember that is sexual transmitted infection and all. Okay. So in trichomoniasis, one more point to remember related to its symptoms in female, the foul smell, that is foul odor in vaginitis with the yellow discharge. Apart from this one, if it is that is vulva, that is related to external genitalia, that is ethemia, that is vulvitis ethemia, related external genitalia of female, that reddish color of patches, which one can appearance. If it is male, urethritis, epididymitis, urethritis, epididymitis. Also one can observable. So many times they asked which particular disease. Normally one can symptoms, that is vulvitis, vulva, one type of the external genitalia. Normally one among the protozoan parasite, that is sexually transmitted parasite, one can affect this disease, vulvitis, erythema, that is ethemia, or this ethemia, nothing but that is a reddish, that brown color, reddish lesions or reddish, the patches which one can appearance in the external genitalia region and all. But in male, related to this one also one can affectable. In female, that foul discharge one can observable and all. Okay.